How does Kubernetes ensure high availability of applications? Kubernetes ensures high availability by distributing application pods across multiple nodes. It uses several strategies, such as ReplicationController or ReplicaSet, ensures that a defined number of pod replicas are running at any given time. Horizontal Pod Autoscaler, HPA, automatically adjusts the number of pod replicas based on CPU utilization or other metrics. Node Affinity and Anti-Affinity helps in scheduling pods to specific nodes or avoiding certain nodes, ensuring even distribution. Self-healing automatically reschedules failed pods on healthy nodes. What is a Kubernetes operator, and when would you use it? A Kubernetes operator is a method of packaging, deploying, and managing a Kubernetes application. It extends the Kubernetes API to create, configure, and manage instances of complex stateful applications. Use cases. Operators are especially useful for managing complex, stateful applications like databases, Egg, Etcd, Prometheus, where standard Kubernetes controllers might not be sufficient to handle the application lifecycle. Example: you might use an operator to automate tasks like backups, upgrades, or scaling of databases or other complex systems that need custom logic beyond Kubernetes' built-in capabilities. How do you scale a Kubernetes application both vertically and horizontally? Horizontal scaling, managed through Horizontal Pod Autoscaler, HPA, which increases or decreases the number of pod replicas based on resource utilization like CPU or memory. Vertical scaling involves adjusting the CPU and memory requests/limits for a pod. This can be achieved using the Vertical Pod Autoscaler, VPA, which automatically adjusts the resource requests and limits for containers. What are daemon sets, and how are they different from replica sets? Daemon sets ensures that a copy of a pod is running on all or some specified nodes in a cluster. It is typically used for system-level operations, like monitoring or logging agents, Egg, Fluent, Datadog. Replica sets ensures a specified number of replicas of a pod are running at all times, independent of node distribution. It is used for scaling application-level pods. Daemon sets run one pod per node, or some nodes, while replica sets run a specified number of pods distributed across nodes. Explain the differences between Helm and Customize. Which one would you prefer for production deployments and why? Helm. Helm is a package manager for Kubernetes that allows you to define, install, and upgrade complex Kubernetes applications via charts. Helm supports versioning and dependency management. Customize. Customize is a template-free way to customize Kubernetes manifests. It works by layering modifications on top of base configurations using overlays.